guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Valerie and I'm a freelance makeup artist from Melbourne, Australia. And in this video, I will be teaching you how to blend your eyeshadow like a pro. I know a lot of people struggle with eyeshadow, so I've decided to dedicate most of this video to the techniques and products I use in order to get a seamless result when I'm putting on my eyeshadow. I hope you find this video really valuable and learn some new tips. I've already done my eyebrows and my base, as you can see, and I'm just gonna blend out the eyeshadow base a bit more just because it creases if you don't put eyeshadow on it. I finally got a microphone, so you're not going to be hearing the autofocus of the camera anymore, and I'm so glad. Oh my god. I feel like I can make so much more videos now because I don't have to worry about that being in the video. So yeah, more videos to come hopefully. So for this video I'm going to be using the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and this is it. Love the color scheme. I recently tried this brand out and it's so cheap. Like, I think I got it for $15 each. I got 2 palettes, and then the shipping was just an extra like around $10. That's so cheap, and like the pigment and everything is perfect. So in order to get a perfect blend, you do need to use a good base before you put on the eyeshadow. To be honest, I used to use a concealer and it was alright in terms of natural makeup, but if you're going to use some bright colours, the pigment's not there with concealer, and it's just harder to blend in my opinion, and it goes patchy. But I use the Plouise eyeshadow base, and I also recommend the MAC Paint Pot because they're both pretty full coverage and they're very tacky, so your eyeshadow will be more pigmented because it sticks on. So this is going to be a natural look, and I do neutral colours different to the way I do bright colours, so I'm going to use a few different techniques than I do in my other videos. I'm going to start off with a transition shade, and for this I'm going to be using the shade Katsina in the Saharan palette. This is just a nice light brown, and I'm just using a little blending brush. This is the Juvia 227 Luxe Soft Definer. I hope that's focused. I always start from the eyelid and then I just blend upwards. I never go like right up there straight away, just because you do want to leave your brow bone bare, because it just doesn't look good if your eyeshadow is like all the way up here and you're not going to see that seamless blend. So yeah, I'm packing that onto the lid and blending it out into the crease. Is it just me, or do I have like black underneath my eyes? Yep, I do. It's probably from the mascara I was wearing yesterday. I hate it with some mascaras how you just can't take them off, even with makeup remover. It's just like, ugh, it's not even waterproof. So yeah, basically just you need to have the right products and the right brushes, and it'll be easy to get a good blend. Just one tip from me is don't go heavy-handed, like literally barely touch the skin when you're blending. I feel like when you go heavy-handed it just makes it all patchy and just not good. So yeah, blend it out lightly. So now I'm going to go onto the other eye. I think I'm just going to wipe off this mascara that's smudged underneath my eyes. It's really pissing me off. I didn't even realise I had that. And I've been in public today. Whenever I do makeup looks, my workstation is just such a mess. And I hate it, because every time I clean it up, it just doesn't last more than like 2 hours. I'm just like a messy person in general, like with everything to do with life. So this is going to be like, I wouldn't say an everyday look, but it's going to be a glam look that most people would wear, I'd say. It's not going to be anything out of this world. I'm actually going to use my other Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Zulu palette. And I'm going to use this dark brown shade right here. just using the same brush. You don't really need different brushes unless you're doing like really detailed work. So what I do is get that shade and just pat it down on the outer corner of my eye first. And I just slowly blend it out, but I stick to the area where I patted it down. I'm not really blending it out right up to the brows like the other one. When you're blending, just do it in circular motions or go back and forward. I think that's the best way to do it. So yeah, just keep blending until you're happy with the finished result. I think I went too much out with this one, but I'm just gonna get the brush I applied my base with and blend it out. Just use the remains of the eyeshadow on the brush to blend it out towards the outer edges. You don't need to add any more eyeshadow because you don't really want it really dark there. So I'm going to be using a pigment to place a shimmery shade on the inner corner of my eyelids, and today I'm using my Peaches and Cream or Peaches Makeup Gatsby pigment. I use this on literally all my clients. It's amazing. It's just a champagne colour. This is the Zoeva 230 Luxe pencil brush, and as you can see it's stained blue from the previous look I did. Now let me just show you this pigment. You definitely don't need much of this pigment because it's so bright. So just add small amounts and then keep adding until you're happy with it. Look how bright that is, like, that's amazing. So yeah, I'm kind of doing like a mini cut crease, but not as precise, just blending it out at the top. Okay, so that's done. And I'm just thinking whether I should add a winged liner to that. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. So for my winged liner, I'm using my Rimmel London Glam Professional Liquid Liner. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's just too hard doing it like this. So I've just done a pretty bold winged liner and I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put on a bit of mascara. I actually never used to curl my lashes, and when I did for the first time I was just like amazed at what a difference it makes, especially if you're putting on lashes, because it just blends all your natural eyelashes together with the false eyelashes. So for mascara I'm using the Maybelline The Colossal Mascara, I'm pretty sure. It's just that all the writing has rubbed off, so I remember the days where I just used to think mascara was enough after I'd done my eyeshadow and everything, and I was just satisfied with that. And then once I tried fake eyelashes, I was like, I'm just gonna wear them everywhere. It's so amazing like how much they can change a look. I feel like they just complete it, even though they're a pain in the ass to apply. So I got sent these beautiful mink lashes by ON Lashes. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. They're so cute. Look at that packaging. My favorite color. And they're actually amazing. I've used them a few times now and they still look perfect. This eye is always the hardest to apply my lashes to because I'm just not used to the angle. I honestly prefer putting lashes on clients than on myself. Always make sure that the actual lashes are glued to the skin above your eyelashes. If you stick them onto your eyelashes, they're just going to fall off. And that's the mistake I used to make all the time. So the main part of the video is done. I've showed you guys how to blend like a pro. And now I'm just going to go into my base. So now that I'm doing my foundation and all that, I'm just going to fast forward it all because it's just so repetitive. Guys, so I've just put on some foundation and set it, and I'm just going to do the lower eyeshadow, like under my bottom eyelashes. So I'm going to be using the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. Actually, I'm going to use the Zulu palette, and I'm going to go in with that dark brown again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to smudge it out using my Juvia 226 smudger brush. I'm just going to go right where the lash line is and make it as pigmented as I can underneath there. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not going to put a transition colour because I quite like it with just the dark brown underneath. One tip that I can give you guys about lower eyeshadow is don't drag it down too much. Just keep it right where the lash line is, just because it will make your eyes droopy if you do that. So yeah. And also it won't join onto your eyeliner like it does there, and it will just look weird. To add one more touch to the eyes, I'm actually going to line my waterline with some black pencil eyeliner, and I'm using the Rimmel London pencil eyeliner in black. All the writings rubbed off, so that's why I was like struggling to read it. And I also like to line the waterline underneath my top lashes too, just to make it all just dark underneath there. I'm just going to pop some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm doing this without looking at a mirror, so let's hope I don't stab myself. Alright, so I'm going to continue doing my base, bronzer, highlighter, all that jazz, and I'm just going to fast forward it again. So I've done all my base, and I felt like I needed to add a little bit of highlight on the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm just going to do that. So we're pretty much all done, and I'm just going to set my face with my All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. And for my lips, I'm not going to do anything dramatic with them today. I don't think I ever do. I always wear a nude, but I'm just going to put on some Peaches lip gloss, and this is in the shade Bambi. Really tired of waiting for my camera to focus. Like, I shouldn't have to wait. I love the smell of this lip gloss. It's just so amazing. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys really found this video helpful, and keep practicing on your blending because practice makes perfect, and literally no one can be great at blending if they haven't practiced. Even if you know the technique, it's just about finding your own style. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to comment below any suggestions for future videos. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time, hopefully with another tutorial.